Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable TalkBack on TCL A300W. To do that, click on the settings button on your remote, then go to accessibility, and then you can go to TalkBack here, then click on enable, OK. And now when it's enabled,
press select to activate. Configuration. Enable on switch. Accessibility. Services.
you can hear what's on the screen when the TalkBack is enabled, and you can disable it like that, and you can also configure it. You can change the speech volume, verbosity, sound, and more. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.